You guys take a quick look. MorrisChoDeBuilder.com. Engineer with the most engineering videos, building a $10 million business. Take a quick look. This is like a stove has been cleaned. Stove is clean. Sink is clean. I have that. This is at the top from the skillet over there. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Kitchens are looking good. The kitchen's looking good. Let's take a look. Nothing in the laundry mat. That's all looking good. Sink's looking clean. And we're doing a little soaking in the toilet. Subscribe. Keep the value of your property up. Keep your bathrooms clean. Remember the trick I showed you? Use that little stuff. That keeps your toilet priceless. People hate stains. I hate stains. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Laundromat, keep it clean. Kitchen, keep it clean. Remember the trick I taught you with the refrigerator? Put little paper towels on them. Subscribe, subscribe.